Hi everyone, and welcome to Nature Benefit. We're thrilled to have you here as part of our community dedicated to the beauty and preservation of our planet. Dive into a world of tips, inspiration, and ideas for living in harmony with nature. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share our videos with friends, and like massively if you enjoy what you see.
Bears are amazing animals. They are large and powerful mammals. We share our planet with these incredible creatures. From the icy Arctic to lush forests, bears live in many different places. Bears are fascinating to learn about. They have unique ways of living and surviving. Understanding bears helps us protect them. Let's explore the world of bears together. Bears live in many different habitats. They can be found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Some bears live in cold, icy places like the Arctic. Polar bears are a good example. They have thick fur to keep them warm. Other bears live in forests. Brown bears and black bears are often found in forests. They find food and shelter among the trees. Bears are adaptable animals. This means they can live in different environments. Bears are mostly solitary animals. This means they live alone for much of the year. They only come together during mating season. Bears have their own territories. They roam these areas to find food. Even though they are solitary, bears have ways of communicating. They use scent markings to let other bears know they are around. Bears are amazing creatures with unique ways of living. Section 4. Bear food, plants, and more. Bears are omnivores. This means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet changes depending on the season. In the spring and summer, bears eat lots of plants. Berries, grasses, and roots are all part of their diet. They also eat insects, fish, and small mammals. Bears need to eat a lot of food. This helps them build up fat reserves for the winter. During the winter, some bears hibernate. Section 5. Bear families, mothers, and cubs. In the wild, bear families are a fascinating subject to explore. Bears have a fascinating life cycle that begins with the bond between mothers and their cubs. This bond is crucial for the survival of the young bears. After mating, female bears give birth to cubs in the safety of their dens. These dens provide a secure environment for the vulnerable newborns. The gestation period varies depending on the bear species, ranging from a few months to almost a year. This period is critical for the development of the cubs. For instance, brown bears have a gestation period of around 7 to 8 months. This time allows the cubs to develop fully before they are born. Cubs are born blind and helpless, weighing only a few pounds. They are entirely dependent on their mothers for warmth, nutrition, and protection. They rely on their mothers for everything, from feeding to learning how to navigate their environment. The mother bear's role is vital in the early stages of the cubs' lives. Mothers nurse and care for their cubs for several months, ensuring they receive the necessary nutrients to grow strong and healthy. This period of nursing is essential for the cubs' development. Cubs stay with their mothers for 1 to 2 years, during which they learn essential survival skills. This extended period of maternal care helps prepare them for independent life. During this time, they learn important survival skills such as foraging for food, climbing trees, and even fishing. These skills are crucial for their survival in the wild. Section 6. Protecting bears, threats and conservation. Bears are magnificent creatures that play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. However, bears face many threats today that jeopardize their survival and well-being. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. Forests, which are the primary homes for bears, are being destroyed at an alarming rate. As humans continue to develop wild areas for urbanization and agriculture, bears are losing their natural habitats. This encroachment forces them into closer contact with human settlements. This makes it harder for them to find food and shelter, leading to increased human-bear conflicts. Another significant threat is poaching. Bears are hunted for their fur, claws, and other body parts, which are often sold illegally. Poaching not only reduces bear populations, but also disrupts their social structures. Climate change is also a growing concern. The changing weather patterns and melting glaciers are altering the habitats that bears depend on. It is affecting the availability of their food sources, such as berries and fish, making it harder for bears to sustain themselves. In response to these threats, many organizations are working tirelessly to protect bears. Conservationists are tagging and monitoring bear populations to gather crucial data. They are also establishing protected bear habitats, conducting anti-poaching patrols, and engaging in community conservation projects to raise awareness and support for bear conservation efforts. Together, these initiatives aim to ensure a safer future for bears. Section 7. Bears are important. Our role in their future. Bears play an important role in their ecosystems. They are not just majestic creatures, but also vital components of the natural world. They help to control prey populations, ensuring a balanced and healthy ecosystem. By preying on animals like fish and small mammals, they keep these populations in check. They also spread seeds, which helps plants grow. When bears consume fruits and berries, they disperse the seeds through their scat, promoting plant diversity and forest regeneration. We need to protect bears for future generations. Their presence in the wild is a sign of a healthy environment, and their survival is intertwined with our own. We can all do our part by supporting conservation organizations. These groups work tirelessly to create safe habitats and implement policies that protect bears from threats like habitat loss and poaching. We can also learn to live in harmony with bears. Education and awareness are key. Understanding bear behavior helps us coexist peacefully. This means keeping a respectful distance. Observing bears from afar ensures their safety and ours, reducing the risk of dangerous encounters. It also means storing food properly in bear country. Using bear-proof containers and following guidelines can prevent bears from becoming habituated to human food. By working together, we can ensure that bears continue to thrive in the wild. Our collective efforts can make a significant difference in preserving these magnificent creatures and the ecosystem